Wherever you want to go, whoever you want to be, you deserve a career that fulfills your purpose. You deserve to grow without limits. With a focus on application development, digital UX design, global infrastructure, cybersecurity, product management, and property technology support, we offer you the opportunity to be empowered and shape the future of travel. We understand the value of our associates and strive to create an environment where you feel respected and rewarded. At Marriott, be valued for your contributions and thrive in your career. We encourage you to bring your unique perspective and experience to our dynamic, agile team. Together, we will shape the future of travel and positively impact the world. At Marriott, begin to unleash your potential, belong where you can have global impact, and become an industry trailblazer. At Marriott, be you.